how to get TeraBox Premium for free. Hello everybody, if you are wondering how, you may follow up this step. So put up TeraBox app. If you don't have it, you may go ahead and download it up, and then once you open it up, log in into your account. Once you are logged in, you should be finding this interface with ads also. So if you're looking for the premium version of the TeraBox, if you want to update, right on your screen you should be finding premium on this section. So if you really want to upgrade, you can tap on this premium and tap on update, and then once you do that, you will be taken to another page, and from here wait for the page to load up. So here are different plans available. If you're looking for all the plans, tap on view all plans, and once you do that, you may just go ahead and analyze like which plan do you want. After that, we have this monthly, yearly, 1 month, 1 year. If you're happy with any of them, all you gotta do is simply tap on this upgrade option. After that, go on with the payment process, and once you do that, you will be getting premium version of Telegram along with different features in it. So that is how you basically buy premium or upgrade to premium in TeraBox. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.